Hello students, in this session we will study about the head command, tell command and who command. Here it is, who am I is the command for to know the user who logged into your system. And the pipe command, we have seen already about the pipe command, one example on it. We will see deeply in today's session. The Chai ma'am already told you in theory class whatever how it works and the example of it. We will see this with the practice. So let's get start. Head command is this head, and then it used to read the first 10 lines of any given file name. So we need to give your specify here any file name in your folder is present. Sample2, I have the sample2.txt as my file here. Any file name you can give from your directory. So this head command, then sample2.txt, then enter, press enter. By default we are not given here option, any option, -3 or -2. These are the line numbers from which we are going to print. If we gave here the -3 as the argument, then it will print the first 3 lines from your files. So here these 3 lines we are going to print here. By default it will print all the files which are all the file lines in present in your these files. Head command -3, then use your file name sample2.txt. Then see here these 3 lines are going to print on the terminal. So you can give here the path of the file. Here we have the BCA3 is your folder, and in this we have folder. We'll see this CD, then BCA3, enter. In this directory we have this files. So CD, come back to your main folder and then use this head command. Head, then the root, then home, user, then the BCA folder 3, and now we have to give here the file name sample3.txt, enter. If you are out of this folder, then you can move to this, and then you need to specify this path to execute the head command. Then next is tell command. Tell command, it will print last 10 lines of file and tell, then we will give your same file name sample2.txt, enter. See, from last it will print. Tail command -2, then file name 2.txt, enter. Here the head command will print the first 3 lines, or the given whatever you have used here as an argument. It will print 3 lines, and here you are using the -2, then it will print the last 2 lines from the file. Next is who command. In this we are going to use the who am I. It will tell you the currently logged in users onto your system. So see, who am I? So here is user. Next, the pipe command. Pipe command, more than one command is used. Output of one command is used to input of another command. So we will see one example of it. ls command -l, then you use pipe symbol, then more. Enter. It will input this. The output of ls-l command's output is input to this more command. This example display all the contents of files on a single page. So it is try to show you the all executed commands in a single page. So next command is cat. We'll see another example of pipe sample2.txt, and here the pipe symbol, that is command, then head command, then the option, that is -4, and then the pipe symbol, tail command -2. I am going to use it. So enter. So here sample2.txt, then pipe command is there. Then from head command, it will take first 4 lines, and that 4 lines, from that 4 lines we will take the 2 from the ending of that 4 lines. We will take here 2 lines from that. We'll see that file sample2.txt. Sorry, cat command we need to use, cat, then sample2.txt. Enter. See here, these 4 lines is selected first. From these 4 lines, the input is to tell command. Then it will select from last these 2 lines. So it is printing your and then OS Unix practical. So I hope you understood this. So we are going to stop here. Thank you.